Hey everyone, I've got something new and completely free for you. I think you're gonna love this. You know how you're always asking, should I use Procreate or Photoshop? And what about Illustrator? Is it worth learning? This is all so confusing. Well, I finally made something that answers all those questions at once. At this moment, I've just released a brand new comparison course where I put Procreate, Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator head-to-head through the exact same tasks. We're talking about black ink on white paper, colored ink on colored paper, drawing natively in each program, and of course, working with watercolor paintings. Instead of guessing which program might work for your style, you will actually see how each one handles the same challenges. It's like having a side-by-side test drive before you commit your time and money into learning something new. But here's the cool part. I created a free email series so you can watch the entire course through the video links included right in your emails. No additional registration needed. You will get free brush packs, Photoshop actions, and Adobe Illustrator texture brushes, and step-by-step breakdown of everything we cover. This entire thing is free. And honestly, it might save you months of wondering the what-ifs about different programs. The link to sign up is in the description box below, and just drop your email and I will send you everything right away. I'm really excited about this one. It's exactly the kind of resource I wish I had when I was starting out. Check it out and let me know what you think.